There are only two ways to improve performance: training and motivation. And we are going to supply both of those elements at our 2026 Sales Fundamentals Workshop. So if you are in lumber and building materials sales and you want to make 2026 your best year ever, despite whatever the hell the market throws at us, you're going to want to join us along with 90 other sales leaders and sales reps in Fort Worth next year. But it's probably more useful if you hear from someone who's already been there.
Hi, my name is Greg Williams. I'm with the Cassity Jones Group, and I've been in this industry. Basically, I was born in this industry, and I've been to several different sales leadership classes and things, but this is by far the best I've ever attended. And it allows you to really reset what you're trying to do and give you an outline to make yourself as successful as you want to be. And I highly recommend it to anyone.
Registration is now open for our 7th annual Sales Fundamentals Workshop. We have sold out the other 6 editions. We will sell out this one. So sign up today, save $300, and we look forward to seeing you there.